गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Okay, students, today we will discuss the next questions of exercise 6.5. Question number 13. In this question, it is given that D and E are points on the sides CA and CV respectively of triangle ABC, right angled at C. Here, ABC is a triangle, a right angle at C. Given here, angle C equals to 90 degree and 2 points, point D and E. D is on CA and E on CV. Points D and E are on the sides CA and CV respectively. We have to prove A square plus BD square A square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square. So here we will join. We need A, means A will be joined. We need BD, so BD will be joined. And we need D, so D will be joined. So in construction, we can write AE, BD, ED are joined. D, AE and D, AE and BD are joined. BD are joined. Now in proof, right left side, we can write here AE square plus BD square will be equals to. See here, in triangle ECA, AE square can be written EC square plus AC square. It can be written EC square plus AC square. What? Only AE. And now BD, at the place of BD square, we can write BC square plus AC square. BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. These are by Pythagoras theorem. See here in triangle BCD, BD square can be written BC square plus CD square. Now arrange it. For AB square, we can write here AC square plus BC square plus CD square plus EC square. See here, in triangle BCA, angle C is right angle. So BC square plus AC square can be written AB square plus CD square. See here, CD square plus EC square can be written DE square. It is by Pythagoras theorem. So it is proved.
एक बार और।
Figure, draw the figure according to given condition. Angle C is right angle and D, AE, BD are joint. We have to prove AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. We have taken left side of this AE square plus BD square. So at the place of AE square, what can we write? See, in triangle ECA, AE square is equals to EC square plus CA square by Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, BD square can be written. See here in triangle BCD, BD is hypotenuse, so BD square can be written BC square plus CD square. I have written that. Next, I am arranging it. See here, AC square plus BC square एक बार ले लिए, EC square plus CD square को एक जगह ले लिए. अब कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से BC स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा, AB स्क्वायर. हाँ लिख दिए. फिर CD स्क्वायर प्लस EC स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन DE स्क्वायर. आई हैव रिटन देयर.
सुनाई।
लिंक अगले
हाँ
नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC, its figure is given. Figure number 6.55. ACDB. Given here, the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that, given that this AD is perpendicular to BC and DB equals to 3CD. We have to prove that to prove 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. 2AC square plus BC square. So see here in proof. See, it is given that DB is equals to 3CD. Means if you take CD as X, then DB will be 3X. Let here CD equals to X, then DB is equals to 3X because here DB is equals to 3CD. So BC will become, this BC will be 4X. See, BC will be 3X plus X, 4X. Now in proof we need AB square. तो इन ट्रायंगल ADB, angle ADB is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, AB square will be equals to AD square plus BD square. It is by Pythagoras theorem. See here in triangle ADB, AB square will be equals to AD square plus BD square. It is by Pythagoras theorem. So here AB square is equals to AD square plus this BD is how much? 3x. It can be written 3x whole square. It means AB square is equals to AD square plus 9x square. Note it, equation number first. Now in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equals to 90 degree in this triangle. So here find AD square. AD square will be equals to AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD square. It is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So here we can write AD square is equals to AC square minus X square. As because CD means X. Now put the value of AD square in equation number 1. On putting the value of AD square in equation number first. Put the value of AD square in equation number first. What do we get? We get AB square is equals to, at the place of AD square we can write AC square minus X square plus 9X square. So here we get AC square plus 8X square. But here see, BC equals to 4X. So this here we get X is equals to BC by 4. So at the place of X, see, it is X is equals to we can write here X is equals to BC upon 4. So at the place of X square, we can write BC square by 16. Here AC square plus at the place of X square, we can write BC square by 16. BC square by 16. So it will be 8 to the 16. AB square is equals to, here we get AD square is equals to AC square plus BC square by 2. Cross multiply it, you get the answer. Note it down first.
Sir, in triangle ADC, AD square equal to AC cube है वहां पर.
कहाँ
AC
cube?
स्क्वायर होगा सर क्या?
कहाँ
ट्रायंगल
cube है?
ADC में सर वहां पे लिखे हैं इन ट्रायंगल ADC.
AC स्क्वायर है, वो AC स्क्वायर है.
AD
AC स्क्वायर माइनस CD स्क्वायर. AC स्क्वायर माइनस CD स्क्वायर. ये माइनस से वो लग रहा है कि 3 है. इट इज नॉट 3, इट इज स्क्वायर. पाइथागोरस में यहाँ क्यूब का कोई मतलब नहीं। AC स्क्वायर माइनस CD स्क्वायर। का finally we are getting here AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square by 2. So this can be written 2AB square is equals to 2 AC square plus BC square. Proved. Have you noted it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equals to 3BC. In an equilateral triangle, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1 by 3BC. Here D is a point. Given here, triangle ABC is equilateral and BD equals to 1 by 3BC. we have to prove that 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. See here, one construction will be done here because here no right triangle is given. इसमें देखो कोई भी right angle triangle नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? We will draw a perpendicular from AC on BC. Let it AE. AE perpendicular BC is drawn. See here, ABC is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, perpendicular is median also. Right angle triangle में जो perpendicular होता है वही median भी होता है. Sorry, equilateral triangle में in equilateral triangle perpendicular is median also. So in proof, since AE perpendicular to BC and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore AE is median also. Median means B equals to EC. B will be equals to EC. B और EC का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो यहां से देखो B और EC का वैल्यू इक्वल हो गया एंड BD इक्वल्स टू 1/3 BC. तो इज इक्वल्स टू, नाउ लेट AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to 2x. इसको हमने 2x या 6x मान ले रहे हैं. देखो AB, BC और AC को हमने 6x मान लिया. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ देखो BC का 1/3 करना है. तो when we do the 1/3 of 6x, we get BD. Therefore here BD will be equals to 1/3 BC is equals to 1/3 into 6x. तो we get 2x. देखो BD का वैल्यू यहां से यहां 2x है और ये B इक्वल टू EC इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? हाफ ऑफ BC. सो विल बी 1/2 into 6x इज इक्वल टू 3x. ध्यान से देखो ये B 3x है और BD 2x है, तो D will be x and EC will be 3x. Now in triangle हमें ऐसा ट्रायंगल लेना है जिसमें AD और AB आए. तो AD और AB आने वाले ट्रायंगल्स के लिए पहले हम लोग AD का स्क्वायर निकालते हैं. इन ट्रायंगल AED, एंगल AED is equals to 90 degree. So here AE square will be equals to, sorry, AD square. See here in triangle AED, AD square will be equals to AE square plus DE square. We can write here AE square plus DE square. It means it is AE square plus D is how much? D is x. We can write here x square. Write it equation number first, and it is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now we need AD square equals to AB square, means we have to replace this AE. इस AE square को गायब करना है और AB will be equals to AC will be equals to AB equals to BC, all side equals. So now take this triangle. In triangle AEC, angle AEC is equals to 90 degree Therefore, here AE square will be equals to AC square minus EC square. But EC is how much? 3x. So it will become AC square minus 9x square. It is equation number 2. Here also you can write it is by Pythagoras theorem. Now the value of AE, put the value of AE in equation 1. Note it down first, note it down.
हो गया.
वो यहाँ देखो फिर on putting the value of
Value of
A square in equation number 1.
first
Put the value of A square in equation number first. So we get AD square is equals to AC square minus 9x square plus x square. So we get here AC square minus 8x square. It will be AC square minus, see here, x का वैल्यू क्या निकलेगा फ्रॉम हियर. यहाँ से देखो ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी इक्वल्स टू सी इक्वल्स टू 6x. तो व्हाट विल बी x? At the place of x we can write AB by 6, AB by 6 whole square, and this AC can be written AB square. Why? AC square के जगह AB square लिख सकते हो. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
why?
Yes, sir.
लिख सकते
Because equilateral triangle है.
Yes.
इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है और
AC square के जगह AB square, and from here देखो ये रिलेशन से
area of equilateral triangle formula.
एरिया
Is-
कहाँ आ गया बेटा?
ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी इक्वल टू सी है.
यहाँ देखो सी हियर AB equal to BC equals to CA equals to 6x. It means x is equals to AB by 6. So at the place of x I am putting AB by 6 whole square. Now it is AB square, sorry, AD square is equals to AB square minus, it will be 8AB square by 36, 8 AB square upon 36. So it will be 4 2 ja 8 and 4 9 ja 36. तो फाइनली इसका आंसर हमें लिखना है, यहाँ दिखेगा, वहाँ लिखते हैं.
यस सर दिख
यहाँ लिखते हैं. Finally, when you solve it, you get AD square
Yes, sir.
equals to
Yes,
AC
sir.
square minus AB square. Sorry, ये AB है. AD square is equals to AB square minus 2AB square divided by 9. Multiply both side by 9. You get 9AD square is equals to 9AB square minus 2AB square. So here we get 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. This is our answer. इट इज 9 माइनस 2ab। ध्यान से देखो, ये दिख रहा हो ना 2। हाँ जी बोलो। हेलो। हेलो।
बाबा कुर्सी कुछ होगा, एक पैसा मत देना, फ्री छोड़ दो कुर्सी। फ्री छोड़ दो बाबा, कोई लोकल कह के फ्री कुर्सी छोड़ देंगे, एक पैसा नहीं लेंगे। हाँ हाँ जी।
हेलो
ये देखो कुर्सी
रविशंकर,
देखो,
म्यूट
ये
योरसेल्फ।
नाइलॉन पैर है, जैसे मर्जी कुर्सी पर खड़े हो जाओ।
रविशंकर कुशवाहा, म्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा, तुम्हारी वो बाहर की आवाज आ रही है।
हाल है, मतलब नहीं कुर्सी टूट जाए। ओरिजिनल
रविशंकर,
कुर्सी
व्हाई
है,
आर यू नॉट
खड़ा
म्यूटिंग योरसेल्फ? रविशंकर, इज इट कंप्लीटेड? हो गया ये? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हैव यू नोटेड इट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last question 16. Just I am going to explain it. Try yourself. Next day we will start coordinate geometry.
Why? Why, sir?
Question number 16.
15.
Very less time is there. Question number 16. In an equilateral triangle ABC. Question number 16. An equilateral triangle ABC.
17 का 16 कर लो।
D is a point on side BC. ये तो हो गया ना 16.
17 बता रही है सर, 16 कर लो।
In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. तो see here altitude means median. ये x होगा तो ये भी x होगा, ये 2x है, ये 2x है. Given AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. To prove, you have to prove that 3 times the square of one side, माने 3AB square is equals to 4AD square, 4 times the one of its altitudes square. You have to prove it. ये प्रूफ करोगे। सिंपली क्या करना है, इस ट्रेंगल को लो, AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा, AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर। बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यू कैन फाइंड हियर BD AD स्क्वायर। तो ये खुद से करना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 क्या गिवन है, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। AB equals to 6√3, AC is equals to 12 centimeter, BC equals to 6 centimeter, then angle B is. So see here, AC is the longest side, तो AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square होगा, तो AC will be hypotenuse, and hypotenuse के सामने का जो साइड होता है वो राइट एंगल होता है, तो C will be 90 डिग्री। ऑप्शन नंबर C will be its answer. एंगल B will be of 90 डिग्री। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का कन्वर्स यहाँ यूज करोगे, ठीक है। ओके, मिलते हैं फिर अगले दिन, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री पढ़ा जाएगा।
Thank you, sir.